Hey, welcome to the Project Platinum review video. Imagine you want to get the most out of your ClickBank affiliate marketing. If so, you'll definitely want to check out Robby Blanchard's revolutionary online training course and software suite. With Project Platinum, students can automate up to 95% of their affiliate business tasks without sacrificing quality. Users can easily customize and personalize their campaigns with ad copy creators, AI-generated images, automated bidding strategies, and detailed analytics reports. This comprehensive training course covers everything from establishing an affiliate marketing business to making huge profits with the software suite. There are also step-by-step instructions for using the software suite to make the most of it. Check the description below for a more detailed review of the Project Platinum system. Let's hear real-world examples of people who have successfully used Project Platinum and their thoughts on why they think it's so good. Following that, we'll see how they achieved outstanding results with minimal effort. Affiliate marketers can automate up to 95% of their daily tasks with Project Platinum to reach ClickBank Platinum membership levels faster. This honest review by an affiliate marketing expert will explain why Project Platinum is revolutionizing your online business. Link shared in the description area. Thank you for watching this Project Platinum review, and we hope you enjoyed it.